Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are currently tied with both Catherine Hall Primary and St. Aloysius Primary on 4 points. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Kyle Anthony Alexander of Catherine Hall Primary up against Jaden Williams of St. Aloysius Primary. Kyle, we begin with you. The perimeter of a triangle is 88 centimeters. Two of the sides measure 27 centimeters and 24 centimeters respectively. What's the length of the third side? Question passes. Jaden, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
It would be 37 centimeters.
That is correct. Kyle, what is y if y multiplied by y equals 81?
Y equals 9.
That is correct. Kyle, what's the median of the numbers 15, 8, 6, and 19?
7.
That's incorrect. Jaden, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 23 over 2 or 11 and a half. Kyle, what is 80% of 50? Question passes to you, Jaden. Want to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Would it be 40?
That is correct. Kyle, what's the area of a rectangle with a length of 9 centimeters and width of 7 centimeters?
Is the answer 63?
Judge? That's incomplete. Jaden, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. It would be 63 centimeters squared.
That's the correct answer. Jaden, we're now over to you. The perimeter of a triangle is 82 centimeters. Two of the sides measure 25 centimeters and 33 centimeters respectively. What's the length of the third side?
Miss, would it be 16?
That's incorrect. Kyle, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Is the answer 24 centimeters?
That is correct. Jaden, what is P if P multiplied by P equals 121?
P would be equal to 11.
That's correct. Jaden, what's the median of the numbers 3, 8, 7, and 3?
Miss, would it be 21?
That's incorrect. Kyle, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 5. Jaden, what is 75% of 76? Question passes. Kyle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 57. Jaden, what's the area of a rectangle with length 11 centimeters and a width of 6 centimeters?
The answer would be 66 centimeters squared.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Brian Finlayson of Catherine Hall Primary. Brian is up against Jordan Clark of St. Aloysius Primary. Brian, an iguana is an example of which type of vertebrate animal?
An invertebrate animal?
That's incorrect. Jordan, want to try?
A vertebrate animal?
That's also incorrect. It's an example of a reptile. Brian, complete this statement with the correct word. The part of a flower that provides color and scent to attract insects and birds is called the
Petal.
That's right. Which organ of the body is responsible for breathing?
The lungs.
That's correct. A lack of which vitamin can result in scurvy? Question passes to you, Jordan. Want to try?
No, miss.
It's vitamin C. Brian, which part of the human eye bends light rays onto the retina?
The lens.
That is correct, or the cornea. Jordan, we're now over to you. A bat is an example of which type of vertebrate animal?
An invertebrate?
That's incorrect. Brian, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. A mammal.
Mammal is correct. Jordan, complete this statement with the correct word. The part of a plant that's usually green and protects the flower when in bud is called the?
Sepal?
That's right. Jordan, the exchange of which two gases occurs during respiration?
Oxygen and carbon dioxide?
That's correct. Too little of which hormone can lead to diabetes? Brian, want to try?
No, miss.
It's insulin. Jordan, which part of the human eye contains only cones?
Retina?
That's incorrect. Brian, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's the fovea. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Topaz Atkinson of Catherine Hall Primary up against Leandre Williams of St. Aloysius Primary. Topaz, identify the predicate in this sentence. Blue is the color of my friend's eyes.
My friend's eyes.
That's incorrect. Leandre, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Blue is the color.
That's also incorrect. Answer is the color of my friend's eyes. Topaz, complete the proverb. A picture is worth? Question passes to Leandre. Want to try?
No, miss.
It's 1,000 words. Topaz, spell embryo.
E-M.
Question, Pat. Not enough time for that. Question passes to you, Leandre. Want to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
EMBRYO.
That is correct. Topaz, what's the past tense of smite? As in S-M-I-T-E.
Smite.
That's incorrect. Leandre, want to try?
Yes, miss. Smut.
Spell it for me, Leandre.
SMUTE.
That's incorrect. It's smote, as in S-M-O-T-E. Topaz, form a noun from the verb believe. Question passes. Leandre, want to try?
Yes, miss. Believer.
Or belief. That is correct. Leandre, we're now over to you. Identify the predicate in this sentence. Along came the boy's mother.
Along came the boys.
That's incorrect. Topaz, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's along came. Leandre, complete the proverb. Beauty is in the eye of? Topaz, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the beholder. Spell, Leandre, spell examine.
EXAMINE.
That is correct. Leandre, what's the past tense of bid, as in B-I-D? Question passes. Topaz, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Bid.
Bid or bade is the correct answer. That's correct. Leandre, form a noun from the verb transmit
Transmitter.
or transmission. That is correct. And that takes us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of social studies. It's between Ashawn Brown of Catherine Hall Primary. Ashawn goes up against Lavon Gale of St. Aloysius Primary. Ashawn, what's the national flower of the Bahamas? Question passes. Lavon, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the yellow elder. Ashawn, which intermediate point is found between North and west on a compass?
Northwest.
That's correct. Name one hemisphere of the earth in which Jamaica is located.
East Hemisphere.
That's incorrect. Levon, want to try?
The tropical hemisphere.
That's also incorrect. We're looking for northern hemisphere or western hemisphere. Ashawn, what's the capital of Belize?
Belmopan.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the Rio Cobre? Question passes. Levon, want to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
Clarendon.
That's also incorrect. It's St. Catherine. Levon, we're now over to you. What's the national flower of Barbados? Ashawn, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the pride of Barbados. Levon, which intermediate point is found between south and east on a compass?
Southeast.
That's right. What's the name of the most important line of latitude? Question passes to you. Ashawn, want to try it?
Yes, miss. Prime Meridian.
That's incorrect. It's the equator. Levon, what's the capital of Nicaragua? Question passes. Ashawn, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Managua. Levon, in which Jamaican parish is the Rio Grande? Question passes. Ashawn, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Portland. And that's a wrap on round 2. We head to the break with Catherine Hall Primary on 12 and St. Aloysius Primary right behind on 11. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return.